John, I knew you were wrong about the stock market. You have no idea what's going on with the stock market. You have absolutely no idea. I made a fortune. You are wrong. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description. We're going to learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Let me just share with you. I had this guy comment, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me just share with you. I did a video yesterday, or a video a couple of days ago actually, said weakness in the stock market. And there's pretty much, there still is weakness in the stock market. Just because it went up 1 or 2 days doesn't mean the big picture is still saying. Anyway, so on this chart, on this weakness in the stock market, I've been talking about the Dow Jones, how it's still weaker than the S&P, just because we went up today. Anyway. Wow, I knew you were wrong about everything you're talking about in this video. Really, Arnie? But to think that I made a killing today by doing the opposite of what you think, that's another story. You are really bad. Bing, bing, bong, bong. Oh my goodness. Arnie, you know what, Arnie? All right, I quit. I quit my job of teaching people how to trade the markets. I quit doing these YouTube videos. Please, please, please. You are just so good. You're just, oh my goodness. I can't believe how good you are. Why don't you please just start your YouTube channel? Start to teach people your amazing trading techniques of how you can predict every single day what's going to happen. Oh my goodness. Oh, how stupid am I to think that I can teach people how to trade these markets? Oh my goodness, you know. Oh, I'm so fortunate to have you comment on my YouTube channel, you know, like, just, you know, I know the positive, really successful people out there, they go on people's YouTube channels and they bag them out and make themselves look so much better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just, you know what? Please, I beg you. Can you please make a YouTube channel and start to teach your trading techniques so we all can make a fortune as well too, please? Because, you know, obviously I got the call wrong today, and I said the market is likely to pull back, and it didn't, and the market went up, and, you know, and I was wrong, and you know, and you were right, you know, you made a killing today, you know exactly what's going to happen tomorrow and the next day and next week and all that sort of stuff. Please, and you know what? Oh my goodness, you know, like, please start your own YouTube channel so I can please learn your amazing, beautiful charting techniques, because everything I say in these videos is total bullshit and total wrong, and, you know, and I don't know what I'm doing here, you know, I just don't know. I know nothing about the stock market. I know nothing about how to read charts. I know nothing about how to analyze markets or anything like that, you know. Nah, I know nothing about that today, you know, and I love the fact that there's all these really successful, positive people that I know, you know, I'm sure they come onto people's YouTube channels and try to knock them down to make people look bigger. Here is the facts, Mr. Arnie. Lucky. Oh, did you have to edit it? Did you? Why'd you edit it for? Tell me, why did you edit this? You are really bad. All right. Firstly, no one will do or say anything to you that is not a direct reflection of how they feel about themselves in the moment. Wow, you are really bad. Are you trying to say that you are really bad? Secondly, what I want to say here is that, yes, the market went up today. The stock market went up today. And yes, I actually thought the stock market would actually pull back, and it did it, right? We got a good jobs report. The market went up today. But the Dow Jones is still creating that weakness in the markets, and it's still telling us something. The picture hasn't changed. We just got a little upward movement, and so on and so forth. If we actually go to the charts here and we go look at the actual the indices here, you actually can see that this is the Dow Jones. But what is the Dow Jones? The Dow Jones is still low, right, compared to this low here. So we're not out of the woodworks yet with the Dow Jones. And this is the S&P. Look where the S&P is. It's actually now closed higher than it was back here. The Dow Jones is still showing a bit more weakness than the S&P. So we're not out of the woodworks yet. All right. The next thing I want to say here, Arnie, is that Trading successfully is not about predicting every single day or every single move. No one can do that, okay? And put it this way, I have mentors of mine that make millions and millions and millions of dollars in the markets, and not even they can predict what's going to happen the very next day. So, you know, Arnie, I think when it comes down to it, that, you know, like, I am just, it's not about being right or wrong in the markets. If you actually know anything about successful trading, Arnie, you would know that successful trading is about having a trading system, trading that trading system, and having a win-loss ratio. Due to the fact that you actually said, but I have made a killing today doing the exact opposite of what you think. That tells me that you have no idea about what it takes to be a professional trader in the markets. Because professional trading is not about saying, oh, look, I took this trade and I made a killing today and I got it right. Really? That's not how professional trading is that. And due to the fact that you actually even had to mention that on my YouTube channel, just shows just how small you really are in the scheme of things. I would, you know what? Let's actually do this then, Arnie. You know, let's actually do this then. Well, I'm going to put up a $10,000 challenge to you. Let's do this. $10,000 challenge. You start your YouTube channel, and I'll keep my YouTube channel going, and then you can start your YouTube channel, and you can put up all your trades that you take, and I'll put up all the trades that I take. Now, not after the fact, no. As you do it. As you do it. Must be live stream. All right, guys, this is what I'm doing today. This is the trades I'm taking. Let's actually compare apples to apples then, and let's see actually who wins. Remember, when I'm doing analysis on the Dow Jones, I'm just giving you my opinion on what I thought, what the charts are telling me. It doesn't mean I'm going to trade it. Now, yes, I do have a put option on the SPY, but that's for a couple of months. What I believe that's going to have the next couple of months. So, anyway, that is my thoughts there. That is my opinion there. Arnie, you think you're making yourself look bigger by trying to cut everyone else down? And there's two ways of actually making yourself feel more significant. Try to cut other people down, tall poppy syndrome. That's exactly what you're doing. Man. Or you can actually, you know what? You can actually help other people and build yourself up that way and build your own tower. So due to the fact that you're trying to cut me down and you're trying to say how wrong I was about today and how right you were, there's so many flaws in the way that you view these markets. It is just totally, totally wrong. And it just shows just how small you really are.